Okay, guys, I am upgrading my setup currently with particularly, well, a few other things, but the main things are both of these, okay? This is the Ugreen 14-in-1 USB-C docking station, and this is the Elgato Face Cam 4K. Now I'm going to be showing you guys what's in the box for both of these during the course of this video. There's going to be no top-down view because I'm upgrading my setup, as I mentioned, but you guys will see what's in the box, what they look like, and what have you. Let's start with probably the lightest, okay? And that is the Elgato Face Cam 4K. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the webcam itself. It's super light, like super light. This is the cable that it's a braided cable, so pretty fancy and whatnot. And this is the thing that you screw in the bottom of the webcam. See, there's the thing on the bottom here. And then you also, plug it in here. And then you want to plug it into the back here. And honestly, that's pretty much it for this particular device. And in case you guys are curious, the current webcam that I'm using right now is going to become part of my top-down setup. Feel free to stay tuned to the channel as well as check out some of my other channel, link in the description below, if you want to see that top-down setup more in action. Now for the Ugreen 14-in-1, let's see what's in the box. And of course, in the box we have this stuff. It's all nice and neat and everything. And let's see, instruction manual. We probably won't need that. This is the brick. This is pretty heavy, okay? This is the brick. If it looks heavy, it's because it is very heavy, because it has to power the whole thing. This is what it has to power, okay? This whole thing. This is actually a lot lighter than I thought it would be. It kind of has rubberized feet on the bottom and on the side, so you can place it however you want. I'm going to be placing it down, of course, because I just like things setting nice and neat like that. It also includes quite a few cables in the bottom of it. This is the plug for this big brick that we were talking about before. This end goes into the back of it. This goes into the plug. Fun fact, this is also a plug that comes with it, but this is, if you're in a different area with a different kind of wall type thing, but this isn't the standard plug for my area, so I'm just going to put it to the side. This is the cable, I believe, that you want to put from your PC to this, which it's actually a braided cable. I was not expecting that, honestly. And then finally we have this, which is another plug for another area. I'll be honest, it may seem redundant to some of you guys, but I do like that they put a lot of different plugs for different places, you know, just in case, or say you're traveling, say whatnot, you know, who knows? So yeah, I'm glad they include this. But yeah, there we go. We have this, we have the Elgato 4K webcam over there, and we are upgrading our setup. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.